You are trying. go to your school fees.
I'm a baby. I discovered you. I put those.
Baby, me discover to your school fees and Kata baby from summer.
Baby, what is it? What is it again? You since morning when I came here, nobody has bought anything. So what money do you need?
Give me my money. Let me go. Hey, Papa, fancy. They can't pay your daughter's school fees. And to Kakaya, you need back. I discover command. On him.
You should not.
I beg. Kakaya, you need him.
Where do you come from?
I beg.
What's it? Check. What's up? I come on, Pablo. My power swim.
Mommy, are you done? Yes, I'm done. Please, I want money for school. So they can't see the way I'm looking. Wow! Okay, so what do you want? I want money to buy biscuits and other items. Okay. So how much do you need? Any amount? Yes. Take this money. Spend it for anything you want at all, okay? Okay, thank you, Mommy. That's right. You're welcome. Yes, I'm a friend. Hey, madam, what did you just say?
I said this child resembles a thief. What can you do?
Did you see him stealing? Did you see him stealing?
His dress. Shopping the dress.
Is it part of your business? Is it part of your business? I bet he's my son. And it's my business, not yours. What brings you guys? I said I'm saying. And the madam said we are having GK. Said the G is 200. And the K is 100. And the A is 50. Yes.
Mommy, I'm also going to run geography. And they said the Joe is 200 cities, and the Gra is 50 cities, and the G is 35 cities.
Should I run away? Let me check and see if I can get something.
Summer fresh here. Summer fresh here. Yeah. Fresh salmon. Hey. Oh, summer beloved kid. Oh, how are you? So, what do you want? I think I should.
No, Mommy.
Well, what's the mom? This I cook for you now.
I've been fasting for 3 years now.
Hey, 3 years no again.
I'll break next 2 years.
You break the since when? Okay.
At 6 Star Studios.